Most men think low testosterone is the reason why they can't get it up, but testosterone is just one piece of the puzzle. If you focus only on that, you will miss the real hormonal picture. Let's break down what actually drives your erections. Yes, testosterone matters, of course. It fuels libido, energy, and confidence. But what most men don't understand is that you can have a normal testosterone and still have erectile dysfunction. And you can have a low testosterone, fix it, and still struggle if you ignore the other hormones that drive your erections. Think of testosterone like your spark plug in the car. You need it to start the engine, but without the fuel, the oil, without a working battery, the car won't move. The same is true for your erections. Your body needs more than just the spark plug to run. So let's look at other key players that work together to create a healthy erection. Number one, of course, we have testosterone. Healthy levels are key for libido and for morning wood. But it's not just the total testosterone that matters, it's the free testosterone, the one that is not bound to proteins in your blood. That is actually the available testosterone to your body. So if you're getting your testosterone checked, I'll always ask for free testosterone, not just the total testosterone. The second hormone that matters is estrogen. While estrogen is known as the primary female hormone, men also need a small balanced amount of it too. Too high of it and your sex drive drops, you get fat storage, your erections suffer. Too low and your libido disappears completely. Obviously the key is the balance. So if you are overweight, especially around your belly, fat cells are actively turning testosterone into estrogen. So dropping 5 to 10 pounds can reset this ratio naturally. The third hormone is prolactin. Prolactin is the hormone that rises after orgasm and it kills your sex drive, at least temporarily. Chronically high levels of prolactin act like a permanent brake, so no libido, no erections. So if you've got low desire, weak erections, and even nipple sensitivity, ask your doctor to test for your prolactin. It's a crucial hormone that's often overlooked. The fourth hormone is cortisol. Chronic stress keeps cortisol high. This stress hormone blocks testosterone and constricts your blood vessels, increasing your blood pressure. So even if your testosterone level is fine, high cortisol can make you feel like you've got low testosterone. So you can lower cortisol naturally by fixing your sleep, adding daily stress resets like breath work, meditation, lifting weights, walking, or any other physical activity really. Also, another way of lowering your cortisol would be through a release of oxytocin. Think hugs, kisses, and feeling supported by a loved one. The fifth hormone would be the thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones regulate energy, metabolism, and mood. So if your thyroid is sluggish, your libido and your erections will suffer, even with normal testosterone. So if you feel cold, sluggish, depressed, or your weight won't go down, get your thyroid hormone checked. The sixth hormone is growth hormone and IGF-1. These are the tissue repair crew. This support blood vessel health, nerve repair, and recovery. Low growth hormones means slow repair and slow recovery, and also weaker erections. You can naturally boost growth hormone with deep sleep, intermittent fasting, and strength training. So what can you actually do with all this information I gave you here? Well, here's your two-step action plan. Number one, get a full blood panel. If you suspect hormones are the cause of your erectile dysfunction, get a comprehensive blood panel. Ask for total and free testosterone, prolactin, estradiol, cortisol, and thyroid hormones. Don't just get testosterone tested alone. Number two, fix your lifestyle. Sleep, stress reduction, fat loss, strength training, improve multiple hormones at once. These lifestyle changes are one of the most powerful things you can do to restore hormonal balance naturally. So low testosterone is real, but it's not the whole story. Your erections depend on a team of hormones working together. Focusing on testosterone alone is like tuning one guitar string and wondering why it still sounds off. Balance is what brings everything back into harmony. So don't fall for the low testosterone trap. Look at the full hormonal puzzle. In the next video, I will reveal another major trap. We'll discuss why Kegels sometimes help and other times actually make erectile dysfunction worse. See you there.